I got a new makeup palette the other day and I'm so excited. I already tried it. Hello, it's me, Anime here, and you're watching another video. Why else would you be here? I got the Jaclyn Hill palette because I think the colors are so pretty. Yeah, I've already dipped into it and I'm not ashamed. Like, I love it. I've had this palette for a week now and I just love it. And now I have to go on a little bit of a disclaimer. I'm not associated with Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics, or Morphe. I know there's like a bunch of Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics drama going on right now. I'm not going to talk about that because I am here to create an eye look using the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. And honestly, I'm just here to play with a pretty palette. I will not be getting the vault because I don't want to. So my favorite color out of this is the purple. And I want to do something with like these colors here because I don't do a fun eye look and I want to do a fun eye look. Anyway, this was too long of an intro. Let's get to diving into this palette. Okay, so I did bring you in a little bit closer, and just a reminder, all products that I will be using will be listed in the description below. I feel like this eye look is like done. It's so like different from what I normally do. I'm just gonna put on some mascara, not do anything on the bottom because I look horrible with stuff on the bottom. It's just rude. Max! It's just my eye shape, and also I just prefer not to have any makeup under there. Say the fallout is like very minimal, which is real nice. Alright, so here's is the finished eye look. I love these shadows. Like, this is just me being me. I've never had a Morphe palette before. I've seen their stuff in some showcase stores, but I've never actually bought it because I don't know if it's fake or not. So this is real, this is legit, and I love it. Although the purple and the blue that I used was a little bit difficult to blend, but that's probably because I was using a brush and not my fingers. But when I used the like turquoisey shade like that, like both of them like went on like a dream. But the mattes are really, really good. The very light shimmers are amazing for highlighting, which I love. This being like the third eye look I've done with this palette, I can say I love it. Probably a bit dramatic, but the palette, amazing. Her as a person, I don't know. I don't know her. Her videos, I don't watch them. The Vault collection, no, that's gonna be a no. The lipsticks, I don't want to get into those. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye!